So this is HTML document, children, okay, with p tag. Now children, we will run this HTML document, right? The method is same, okay children. So here you have to use Internet Explorer browser to view the content of the document, or you can say run the document. But before that you have to save this document, right? So now you have to click on File menu, click on Save command. Save as dialog box will be opened. Now here you have to select the path where your document is saved. Okay, so D drive, standard 7th, and now here you have to give the file name, okay, with .html extension, right children? So here you can give any name, right? For example, here we are using paragraph, so I am typing here paragraph, right children? So in this way you have to type the name of the file, right? So paragraph and .html, this is extension, okay, because this is HTML document, so we will save with .html extension, right? Now click on save button. So this document is saved, okay, with paragraph name. See here, okay, paragraph name. Okay, now we will minimize this document and we will run this document. So we need Internet Explorer, children. So click on Internet Explorer. Okay, now here first of all you have to open the document. So click on File command, then open, then click on Browse. Okay, here you have to select the path, okay, so D drive, standard 7th, and which document? Paragraph, right? So select it and click on Open button. See children, right? So in this way you can open the document, okay. See here, this path is displayed, right? So this is your document paragraph, okay. Now you have to click on OK button, okay. When you click on OK button, you will see the output onto the screen, okay. See, this is the output, okay. This tag is used to define a paragraph. This is the second paragraph, okay. Now see your document, see, okay. So in p tag, what is written? This tag is used to define a paragraph. So this is our first line, okay. You can see this is our first line, that is first paragraph, okay. And second paragraph is, this is the second paragraph, okay. Where is it? It is displayed in this way, right? Now HTML document, okay, HTML will automatically, okay, HTML automatically adds the blank line. So you can see children, after this paragraph one blank line is there, okay, and before this paragraph one line is, blank line is there, okay. So HTML automatically add these blank lines before and after the paragraph, okay. And one more thing children, in title tag what is written? Tags for paragraph, see, right, tags for paragraph, that is written. So children, in title tag you can see, okay, you can see on the title bar of the Internet Explorer tags for paragraph, as well as you can also see on active tab tags for paragraph, right? This is what that is written in title tag, okay, right? So it will be displayed on the title bar of the Internet Explorer. Okay, and whatever right you write in body tag, okay, with the use of the P tag, so it will display just like this, right? You can view this content, right, with paragraph. So in this way you can use the P tag in your HTML document. Okay children, and you can run in this way the document, right? Thank you.